In this video, I'll guide you through how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, open a browser and then search for IDM. Then click on the first website. Now you need to click on Try IDM 30 days for free trial. Then IDM will download on your computer. When the download process is complete, then double click on it. Then install it on your computer. Then you will see these kinds of error will appear on your Chrome browser. Now click on it and click on Enable Extension. Then the IDM extension will be added on your browser. But if you didn't see it, then open a new tab and search for IDM extension. Now open this one. I will put this link on my video description. When you click the link, then you will come to this page. After come to this page, you will click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Then the extension will be added on your browser. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily add IDM extension in Google Chrome.